Hey guys, it's your girl Tash. To all my subscribers, big up on yourself. You don't know, up. If you're not yet a subscriber, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button at the end of this video. Also, don't miss your chance to get a whooping 35% off my Speechless Hair Growth Blend. Just follow me on Instagram or on Facebook to redeem your coupon. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make 2 braids using 2 different techniques. If you haven't seen my last video on how to cornrow properly, I will leave the link below so that you can go and check that out at the end of this video. There are 2 different methods that I usually use to achieve 2 braids, and I will demonstrate both methods to the best of my abilities. This is a demonstration mostly. I won't be talking too much, but with this first method, you basically have to position your hands on the hairline whilst trying to direct your cornrow around the hairline. So with this technique, it doesn't matter if you're right-handed or you're left-handed. Once you're on the right side of the head, you will need to use your right hand to hold the braid firmly onto the hairline whilst using your left hand to direct the hair over to the right into your braid. It can become more difficult to maintain a tight grip as you go along because the braid is getting thicker and thicker, but that's the reason why it is important that your right hand is constantly holding the braid firmly whilst using your left hand to direct the hair into the braid. So, the aim is to achieve a shape similar to the half of a circle or a half slice of a pizza. And it's the same process as you go over to the left side of the head. You will have to make sure that the left hand is holding the braid firmly onto the hairline whilst your right hand is directing the hair over to the left into your braid. Please watch as I demonstrate, and I will play my music until I get to the final method that I would like to explain to you guys. Well done for making it this far into the video. I can see that you're very interested in learning more, so please check out my playlist on how to cornrow for beginners at the end of this video. I think that you will find some very useful topics in that playlist, and I will also leave the link for that in the description box below. Anyways, with this method, there isn't much I can say apart from the fact that I am using both hands to direct the hair from both my right and my left into the braid, going straight down into the center of this section. Please watch as I demonstrate, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Up, up!